to share a super useful project template for your Figma files that helps you to be organized designer and make your handoff process for the developers much more smoother. As UX UI designers, we all know that how crucial it is to have your designs very organized, especially when we're working with different teams and we have multiple projects at the same time. So let's dive right in. As you can see in the screen, this project template has different key sections and we're gonna go through that each by each. At the top we have the project title and designer name and role, and also on the top right we have the launch date of the project, so whoever comes to the file can see the status of the project very quickly, so we can just communicate that. I'm gonna go over all of the statuses later, bear with me. Then we have the project summary. Here you can just briefly describe the project main goal and objective and the problem that you want to solve, very short in 2 lines. Then you just talk about the platform that your design is. Is it responsive web or is it a mobile app? Then we have the supporting links section. Here we can just link the key resources of our project, such as copy deck, user stories, Notion, or Asana, wherever that you have the project management files, and then the user flows as well. All of these can be links to the specific frame. It's really nice. Whoever comes to the file can just see the latest version of the document. So for example, let's say we have this desktop view frame and we just come here, right click, copy, and then a copy link to selection. Assume that that's the user flow for example. Then we highlight this and we just paste the link, Command V on your keyboard, and here we have the link. As you can see, then nobody is very confused and nobody is looking for you and asking for the latest version of the document or user flows. So this is really great. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe to my free weekly newsletter. You can find the link in the description below. I write weekly posts about product design insights and some educational tips and tricks for you. Then we have the UID. UID is where you put your wireframes and your initial designs. Always try to start with your wireframes so that you don't miss out time and you are more focused on the functionality, on behaviors, on interactions, other than just visual details, colors, and icons. It's just a simple way to have a track of the flow each by each, and we have just one screen per row. So for example, if there is a sign-in flow, we have username input field here for these screens with different sizes, like a large, medium, and a small. And then below that we can have the next flow, which would be for inputting password. I'm gonna create another part 2 video for this video series so that I can explain how to create wireframes and so on, and have the wireframe components for you. I have these sizes for you ready to go, and you can just duplicate this template from the Figma community, create your project with that. At the right we can have the annotations for our wireframes so that we can explain them to whoever coming through the file, such as scenarios, heading ones. We can just annotate what is each element is on our design, such as CTA button, text, what's the behavior, and we have some tags here. As you can see, for example, some sections can be dynamic content, heading, button, a body, icon, or illustration. We can highlight all of these on our designs. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna create another video to just demonstrate that really well, but I want you to just have an idea of this template at first, so it's not overwhelming for you. And here we have the statuses of our project. We have not started, pending review, design approves, ready for dev. These are the main processes of our journey, and this is very helpful so that you can just update the status of the project file so that everybody is aligned. It is very important for the developers to know that the design is responsive and we communicate all of the UX UI details with this UID flow. I promise you that by using this project template, you can have a smooth collaboration with the team in a simple and organized way. Using this template will save you so much time, and it ensures that everyone on the team is on the same page. Thank you so much, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more UX UI design tips. See you in the next video. Bye!